Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning about multi-level inheritance. In our previous lecture, we have learned about hierarchical inheritance. So, let's start. Multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is a process of deriving a class from another derived class. Let me explain you using a diagram. So, you can see this flowchart. In this flowchart, we are having a multi-level classes. So we can say that class A is a parent or a base class which is having a derived class as a class B. Similarly, for class C, class B is a parent class and class C is a derived class for class B. So over here we are inheriting in a multiple level way. Class B is inheriting the variables or the member functions of class A, and where class C is inheriting the variables or member functions of class B. So let me take you to the code block so that I can show you an example for multi-level inheritance. So let's start with the coding part. As you can see that I have written or included the header files. Now I will be writing with the class name. Let us suppose I will be creating a class naming as animal, okay, in which I will be putting public. As you all know that all the variables by default are private. So I will be writing public. Now I will be creating void eat function, okay, in this function, and I will be declaring this function within the class. So cout, I will be writing eating, okay, and the end of line keyword. So now I will be similarly creating another class as dog, okay, and I will be inheriting the variables of class animal. So animal is a parent class over here and a class dog is a derived class. So public animal. So now I will be using again a public keyword, and then I will be writing void bark function, and similarly I will be declaring the void bark function over here. Now I will be writing cout barking and then end of the line keyword, okay. Now similarly I will be creating another class name as class dog. No, small, we can write small dog, okay. Then I will be putting the visibility one, that is public, and I will be inheriting the variables from the dog class. Then I will be again writing as public. I will be writing a function crying, and I will be declaring the similar function over here as cout crying, okay. So we have declared three classes, we can say. The first one was the parent class, that is animal. Then the second one is the derived class for the animal class, that is dog. Then we have created the third class, that is the class small dog. Now we will be writing the main function, integer main. Now I will be creating an object of small dog as d1, okay. Then I will be using the object, I will be calling the eat function. Similarly I will be calling the bark function, and similarly from the object I will be calling the crying function. So you can see the eat function is for which class? That is the parent class, that is the animal. Secondly, bark is for the dog class. Similarly, crying function is the member function of small dog class. So using the small dog class, I am accessing the animal class as well as a dog class. Now we will be compiling and running the program. So you can see the output. The output is eating, barking and crying, where eating was printed, we were printing in class animal. Similarly, the barking was being printed in the class dog and the crying was printed in class small dog. So you can see that the class animal was a parent class for class dog, and for the small dog the parent class was class dog. So you can see this, we have done multiple level inheritance. In our next lecture, you will be seeing about hybrid inheritance. Thank you.